In this guide, you'll learn how to configure sales settings in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started. First, launch QuickBooks Online. Make sure you are already logged in. Now click the settings icon, then select account and settings and open the sales tab. In the sales form content section, click the pencil icon to edit your preferences. Here you can enable options such as shipping, set your preferred invoice terms and choose your default delivery method for invoices and sales receipts. Scroll to the products and services section to customize how you track what you sell. You can enable the SKU column if you use stock keeping units, turn on inventory tracking if you manage inventory in QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, and activate features like price rules and progress invoicing to automate pricing and bill customers as work is completed. Next, open the messages section to personalize the emails QuickBooks sends to your customers. You can customize invoice and payment reminder messages, choose to receive copies of emails you send, and set up automatic reminders for overdue invoices. Finally, review the delivery options and statement settings. Choose whether to attach PDF copies to emailed invoices. Decide how much information appears in your emails and customize customer statements by showing item details and overdue balances. Once you have finished making your changes, click Save to apply your new sales settings, and that's it. That's how you can configure your sales settings in QuickBooks Online to streamline your workflow, customize customer communications, and make managing your sales much more efficient. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.